Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film two videos for my makeup artistry series. The first one you probably already saw. So this is gonna be the second one, and I'm gonna show you today staples that I have to have on my makeup artistry kit that are not makeup products. And these ones I basically can't live without them. I have a ton to show you. So without further ado, if you want to see things that are staple in my makeup artistry kit that I have to carry with me, that if I don't, I will feel lost and I will make it work, but I will feel like I'm missing something. These products are go-to of mine and I have to take them with me always. If you want to see which products I'm talking about, then just keep on watching. Before you guys go and watch this video, this channel is my main channel to talk about makeup because I don't know makeup lovers or makeup artists in real life. But since I've been a bridal makeup artist for 9 years now, I wanted to share some of my knowledge with you guys that are basically either clients, upcoming makeup artists, or makeup lovers. So if you want to support my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And everything I mentioned, I will leave linked below if I can find it. And by buying through the links, you can support my channel. And everything I get from my channel goes back into it. So the first thing that I take with me, and I'm not taking them in these containers, are my cotton rounds and my micellar water. And I'm gonna mention these in the order in which I use them. Cotton rounds, I buy the 4 Pro from Amazon because I really like them. And then the Garnier micellar water, I buy the Maxi one and then I depot it in a little sprayer bottle. And that way I can take as minimum as I can on my kit without running out. I used to take big bottles and it used to be super heavy. As makeup artists, you want your bag to work for a long amount of time, since sometimes a bridal party you can do makeup on about 15 or 18 people, 10 people, and it will take a toll on you if you're carrying heavy stuff. Even if you ask your clients to come with a bare face without no makeup, I always like to go with micellar water on top just to clean up any excess product or any dirt that they have on their face, to have their face as clean as possible before going with my skincare. Another thing that I love to take with me is a brush cleaner. I have to redo all my labels because they're looking dirty. And this one was a bottle that I got, I think from a TJ Maxx. They had three sample size or travel size of the, I think this is the Japanese makeup brush cleaner, but the one that I use is the Perium brush cleaner or the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. Those two are my favorite. I buy either or and I repack them on these little bottles. I have 2 of them, and depending on the amount of clients that I have, I will take the 2 bottles with me. I forgot to bring a clean one, but I also take with me 2 black towels. I have these ones, about 24 of them, and I always take 2 with me to clean my brushes, to set up, to do my setup on my station. And I love for them to be black because even if they get a little bit stained, they never look as dirty as a white towel would look. And a white towel in which you will clean makeup brushes, it will look disgusting. So yeah, this towel and the brush cleaner go hand in hand. This one I was also using, and even though people love the clear ones, I prefer to use the metallic ones. And I have about 3 palettes. I just want to use what I have and save some money because, like I said, makeup artistry kits are expensive and these work great for me. So I have 3 palettes, 2 acrylics and 1 that's a metallic one, and I love them to place there my foundation, my skincare, my eyeliner, and sometimes I will use the back of my hand, but I will sanitize it first. But these are go-tos of mine when I'm gonna mix foundations or when I'm gonna apply concealer and I'm mixing stuff. These I have to clean in between clients with alcohol. They have to always be there for me so that I don't make a mess of things, and so that I can go back to it if I need to clean up something that I did with the same foundation, with the same concealer and whatnot. So I will place everything in the palette right when I start the perfect amount, but if sometimes I go overboard, I will go back to the product and use it throughout the makeup application. Talking about starting out, something that I carry on my kit, and you can see it right here, it's hand sanitizer, and I actually have two on my makeup bag, and I always carry that with me because even though I also take something that it's right now in the bathroom, it's a soap container and a soap in there, I will wash my hands before I start with my clients, but then I will also sanitize my hands in front of my clients so that they know that I'm clean. And that's something that's super important for a makeup artist, and that it's not makeup. On the same note, I will take with me either gum or mint. I prefer gum, but I sometimes don't like to be chewy. That's a good thing about masks, and I still wear masks to do makeup. I will have a gum and people won't notice because I will be wearing a mask. But I also, depending on the amount of time that I will have the bridal party, and depending on the city, because sometimes I travel to destinations to do makeup on clients, I will always take a toothbrush and I will take a little mouthwash in a travel size. So this one you can refill. I want to be as friendly with the environment as possible, so I will refill these after it's empty from the bigger container that I just have in my bathroom. You don't want to be up on people's faces, even if you're wearing a mask and have bad breath. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And if you notice that because you drank coffee or whatnot, your breath is getting heavy, go to the bathroom, take a little second, go do whatever you need to do and brush your teeth or take a gum and you'll be good to go. But you are not allowed to be talking to people right up their faces with bad breath. If that's your business, it's just something that they will not forget. Trust me, because I've been there on the other side, being getting a facial done or getting a haircut or getting my nails done, and the professional has bad breath, and it's just something that I tend to never go back to the place. I feel like I was containing myself throughout the entire experience, so I don't want my clients to feel that way. So you have to be clean always. Here I have a lot of go-tos in one. The Set little containers are for me the most wonderful thing that has ever happened to my makeup artistry kit. I have a few different styles and you will see them throughout this video. This one, I don't remember the name, but I will leave everything linked below, has these little lines. I see people carrying fishing containers that they found on Amazon. For me, those are too bulky, and when I show you my makeup artistry kit, I take the amount that is the right amount and nothing is missing from my kit. Things that are perfect that go in here are these little clips that I use on every single client because I don't want to ruin their hair. I take with me different style of Q-tips. I take black ones and white ones. I take with me thick ones and ones that have a pointy end. I'm running low on everything. I need to repurchase a lot of things, but I always take Q-tips with me. Then I also have lip gloss wands, and I use them for different things. Sometimes concealer, sometimes lip gloss, sometimes lipstick, and I also put one of them on the touch-up kit that I give to my clients. And then I take here mini mascara wands. I have the regular size mascara wands, disposables, the disposable mascara ones, but I love the mini ones for the lower lashes, and depending on the lashes of my clients, I will even use these ones in the upper lashes as well. Another Set one that I have is this one that doesn't have any separate spaces in between. It's just an empty one, and I bought this one for lashes, but I don't carry my lashes this way. And this one has everything that I need for lash application. So I will take tweezers with me. I will take a lash tool with me, and then this Duo dark glue. I will also take my Kiss, the one that has a little wand. I will take one of them with me. And then my Anastasia scissors are my go-to, my favorite. I love them. I wish I could have two to add one to my assistant makeup artist kit that I'm currently putting together. I hate like borrowing things and then not have them when I'm about to use them. and I'm more organized than she is. She's learning as she goes, and she doesn't have a makeup artistry kit on her own, but since I'm teaching her, she's using my things on my clients, and that's just something that I need to purchase for her. And I love the one that it's pink. I've seen it in black, and I want another one that it's pink. Pooping, dog poop bags, these are go-tos of mine because I take a little trash that it's a little foldable trash can that I carry on my makeup artistry kit bag, that it comes with a little clip, and I put this bag to not get the little trash can dirty. If I'm in a hotel and there's a trash can right up close to me, to the makeup station that I put together, I will not put out my trash can and waste bags. I will use the hotel trash can. But if it's too far away from me, then I don't want my station to be messy, so I will use those on my little foldable travel trash can. And the ones that I purchase are biodegradable, which are the ones that I use for my own dogs. I tend to use a lot of things that I get and give them different purposes. I bought a brush, and that brush was a travel size, and it came with this little pouch from MAC. So now I carry my big mascara ones in there, and I always take these plastic spatulas that come with the containers that I give to my clients when I give them lip touch-ups. I always take one with me because I never know. And that being said, these are dirty because I've been using them and I have to wash my brushes, but I always take two metallic spatulas with me to put out the lipsticks or the eyeliner that I'm gonna use, and place it on the metallic or the acrylic palette that I use for my clients. And then for another Boozed palette go-to, I take this one. I have two of these. I have bold colors and I have these nude colors, and these are lipsticks, and I have to brand them better, but I have all the names right here. I mostly carry MAC and Urban Decay because in my opinion they have the best nudes, and for the bright colors I carry different brands. And I created this small one for my makeup assistant, but I've been taking this one with me because, like I said, I don't want to waste space on my makeup artistry kits inside. Used to take a Suka with me and then another bag on top of that, and I've minimized my kit so much, and it's perfect for everything I do, that all I want to do is carry or waste less space on my kit. So this one has a few shades from this one, and the go-to bold shades that I will use. And I have deeper shades that can help me darken the nudes and line the nudes and whatnot. So yeah, these mini ones, this is the first one that I purchased. I wanted to see how tiny it was and how it would work. This works amazingly, and I actually did a huge party with it, and then I refilled it, and then I did another party with it, and it's still going strong. I have so many applications of lipstick right here that I will never go through one in a bridal party, even if I'm using the same shade on every single person. So that for me is important because I don't want to run out of a product mid-application, or if a person needs a touch-up, I'm not gonna say like, I ran out of your lipstick. No, I'm gonna apply the lipstick that I used on them. So yeah, these are go-tos of mine, and I used to carry a bag filled with bullet lipsticks, and oh my goodness, that's so heavy and a lot of space is wasted. This one, for example, you can put basically an entire bullet lipstick on one of the holes or one of the wells of the palette, and that for me makes a lot of sense. Maybe a little bit is left, and I always save it and then refill it once it's really low on the well. You can take 24 lipsticks with you, or 48 like I do if I take the two that I take with me, and the space that you waste or that you use from your kit is minimal. And then another thing that I take with me, it's a mirror. I'm not gonna blind you guys, so it's a mirror that I got from Amazon, and it's the right size, and it has a hand holder so people can actually look at their makeup when they're done. I don't like for my clients to look at their makeup while I'm doing it, because makeup tends to make you look crazy during application. About 90% of the time that you're in the process of applying makeup, your client is looking crazy. So I don't want my clients nitpicking on every single thing that I do, so they know that it's forbidden for them to look at the process and that they will see the result once I'm done. And then I will give them the mirror and they can tell me if there's something that they would like more blush, less lipstick, or that if they thought it was too light or too dark, whatever they want to say. I always tell them, before you leave this room, I'm able to fix anything and everything. But if you leave and you don't tell me, then I won't be able to fix it. Most of my clients are just happy with the application, but some of them, they want something switched up because they never get their makeup done. And the mirror helps me because they will see themselves when they're still sitting on my chair, and I'll be able to fix anything that they feel that needs fixing. And then last but not least, you guys, that I can show you, this little hand fan has changed my life, because I used to carry one of the old-fashioned ones to dry people's lashes or setting spray, and now I don't. I only charge this because it's a rechargeable one, and then I turn it on, dry their lashes, dry their setting spray. It's super hot. I will use this one. It has 3 velocities and it's wonderful. I've been thinking about purchasing one for my baby to carry on his baby bag, and this is just amazing when it's super hot as well. And then some things that I can't show you is the lighting that I'm using, which is my glam core lighting. It's just super perfect to carry with me, and it's not makeup. And I take it to every single one of my jobs. I used to carry a ring light, but it's too bulky for me. And then of course the camera that I'm filming on, which is a Canon 80D, and that camera just takes the greatest pictures of my work, and that way I can promote it on social media. So that's it, you guys, for things that are not makeup that I carry with me as a makeup artist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you are a makeup artist and you have anything that you want to share in the comments below, I would gladly appreciate that, and I will answer anything that you have to ask in the comments. Or if you're an upcoming makeup artist and you have a question on any subject, please leave it below so that I can keep creating this kind of content for you guys. And that's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.